almost feel it. That sneeze embarking on a journey through my nostrils. This moment sparkling. Every time this happens, I need a napkin, but this time I'm without one. Don't know what's gonna happen, but I gotta keep strong. Gotta keep on looking for one. 'Cause there's always gonna be another person who's gonna stand in front of me, and all sneeze all over their face, and they'll slap me ruthlessly. It ain't about how fast it comes out, there's about to be a cold wet breeze. It's the sneeze.
This year I'm facing anticipation of another failure to be polite. It's so darn frustrating. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna regret the most. Yeah, we'll just have to take all the slime and all these useless rhymes. I'm forced to do this all the time, 'cause there's always gonna be another person who's gonna stand in front of me. I'll sneeze all over their face and they'll slap me ruthlessly. It ain't about how fast it comes out, 'cause there's about to be a cold wet breeze. That's the sneeze. Corey, stand right in front of me. I have to sneeze. Right on your face.
No, Caleb, don't do
Give
that.
me a napkin.
No. There's always gonna be another person
Who's gonna stand in front of me,
and all sneeze all over their face, and
they'll slap me ruthlessly.
it ain't about how fast it comes out,
'Cause there's about to be a cold wet breeze.
it's the sneeze. Keep the faith, baby.
It's all
about the sneeze. Keep the faith, keep your faith.
Whoa.
Eight.
Achoo! Excuse me.
God bless you.
Thank you.